Hello everyone, welcome to Manmaker. I am Ranjan Kumar and today we are going to discuss BL Non-Executive exam. This is for your EAT and IIT Technician C both. Whatever unit you have applied, either you have applied for Bangalore, Ghaziabad, Pune, Telangana, Chennai, Panchkula, Hyderabad, whatever unit you have applied for this non-executive exam. So today we are going to discuss General Aptitude question, that is your paper 1, and this is previous year question. We are going to details with a detailed explanation. This exam held on 5th February 2025. This is a Bangalore unit paper. It happened on this February month of this year only. So we'll discuss in a details. As you know, paper 1 is common for everyone. Whatever branch is your, this is common for everyone. All right. And same thing, like same syllabus is there for every people. So for PDF and more updates, you can join our Telegram channel. This is my Telegram name and WhatsApp channel. Join here. Here you will get class notes and class notification, job update, everything you will get in this thing. Okay, in these channels. Then now you can access study material from the app, the Manmaker app. It is available in Google playlist. Okay, Google Play Store. All right, and I hope you are preparing all the things who have taken, you are preparing well. And now General Aptitude course is also available in the app. If you want, you can go and take from there. Okay. Okay, so we'll start the General Aptitude section. So this is happened on 5th February. Okay, this exam happened on 5th February on the year of this year only 2025. Okay, so we'll discuss that thing. All right. Uh, okay, so we'll discuss only general aptitude part, and this is common for everyone. This is like electronics paper, but general aptitude is common for everyone. Now, okay, question number 1. So as I discussed in the syllabus also, there will be 50 question. They are going to ask 50 question for 50 marks. So in that you will get passage also. English comprehensive passage is there, short passage it will come. Okay, so like that one passage you will be have given one short story will be there, and using that, based on that, 5 question will be there that you need to appear. Okay, and these questions are very easy. You can easily find the answer in this passage only. Like, who woke up the lion from his sleep? Okay, so if you have time, you can read this all these things. Apart from that, you just read the question and get the related things. Like here it's written, who woke up the lion from the sleep. So this wake up and sleep. So here if you find the things, waking him up, it is written here. Okay, so a small mouse run over his body. So who wake up? So mouse, that mouse is there, or rat is there, who came and wake up the lion. Like that you can find the answer. So a mouse is the answer. Option B is your answer. Like that you can find. Otherwise, if you simply read the passage, you will get the or the answer. Okay, like, what did the mouse bag the lion for? Okay, so like that things are there. So here like bag is there, you will find this thing, this word in the passage. See here related options, so this is mercy, so option B is your right answer. Like that simply you can find the answer, or you can read the passages. Okay, now, why did the lion laugh at the mouse? So this laughing thing came. So here you will find somewhere uh, the lion caught and okay, wait, upside it is written in this passage only. This laughed one. The lion laughed and loudly said, "You help me, that's funny." But he decided to let the mouse go. Okay, so why he laughed? Because mouse told, "Don't eat me, I am a small and weak, but one day I may help you. I may help you." This thing rat told to lion. That's why lion start laughing. So it will be written here, because the mouse promised help the lion one day. So for that purpose only he started laughing. So option, you can say option A is your right answer. Okay, like that you can find in the passage. Every answer is hidden there only. Okay, like this only. How did the mouse save the lion? So here you will find somewhere, the mouse nibbles the ropes with the sharp teeth. it is mentioned here, so by chewing through the rope. So option D is your right answer. Like that, you need to find the related one and you need to get the answer. What lesson does that story teach us? It will be very basic. I think since childhood you are heard about this mouse and lion story, so you know this is related to kindness and never wasted. So option B, kindness type story, it is there. Or if you have time, you can read this passage also. You will come to know what is the outcome of this passage. Okay, like that, next passage was also there. So the thing is, you just cover this passage in, like in app also I provided you previous year question. From there simply you read this passage and whatever answer is there for that question, you just go through that. You will find every answer in the passage. Okay, we'll start aptitude. Aptitude part we are going to discuss. So from general aptitude also you are going to get 10 question. Okay, so here Amin spends 20% of his salary on a rent and 50% of it on grocery. If his salary is 12,000, how much does he spend on rent and grocery combined? Okay, so combine, he is asking rent and grocery how much he spent. So grossly, I mean is going to spend 20% of salary on rent and 50% on grossly. So 20% he is spending in rent, plus 15% he is spending in the grocery. So total is how much? 35% he is going to spend in the for from the salary. And how much salary he is getting? He is getting 12,000 salary. So 12,000, 35%, if you, this is 12,000, 12,000, 35%, if you are going to calculate, so you will get like this. And if you calculate this one, it will come 4200. So this much amount he is going to spend including rent and grocery from 12,000. So option B is your right answer. Okay, like that question you will get in the exam. Basic question will come, no need to go that much depth for this exam. Okay, find the simple interest on 5,500 at the rate of 6% per year for 3 years. Okay, so this is simple interest. We know SI formula, that simple interest is equal to what? P into R into T divided by 100. Okay, P is your principal amount, R is your rate amount and rate percentage, and T is your time. Okay, so P we have given this much, 5500, into R we have 6%, so 6 into time we have 3 years, and this is divided by 100. So this zero cancel, and if you calculate this thing you will get 990 rupees. So option B is your simple interest. Option B, 990 is your answer. So simply like put the formula, get the answer, like that things are there in the exam. What is the compound interest on 2000 at 25% annual interest for 3 years? Okay, so CI you need to calculate, that is your compound interest, and we have given this is principal amount 2000 rupees, 25% rate, and interest for 3 year. It is for 3 year. Time is your 3 year. So generally we are calculating CI is what? Compound interest. That will be equal to amount minus principal value. Okay, amount minus principal value. But in this question they they haven't gave what? Amount value. So we need to find the amount first. So amount is equal to what? P 1 plus R divided by N, and this is N T. This is the common formula. You just need to remember this formula for if you are going to calculate CI. And here this A is what? A is your amount. Okay, I will write here. A is your amount. Okay, P is your principal value. All right, and R is your rate percentage, and T is your time. Okay, and now this N you need to this is what number of interest. Actually when they will ask for annually, like here they have mentioned annually interest. Okay, if they will ask for annual, okay, and that time n you need to put 1. Okay, if they will ask for half year, sometime they will ask also for half year. Okay, so that time you need to put this n as a 2, half year. Then sometime they will ask quarterly. Okay, quarterly they will ask. So for quarterly, you need to write this n value as a 4. And when they will ask monthly, any like monthly period, for the monthly period interest is there, that time you need to put n equal to 12. So this thing you need to remember. Here they have asked about annual. If they will ask for half year, you need to put n as a 2. If they will ask for quarterly, that time you need to put n equal to 4. So just remember this formula. It will be applicable for every kind of year of interest. Okay. Now you need to put here, we need to find A. So P value we know it is 2000. Okay, 1 plus R we know it's 25%. Okay, and N it is annual, so we need to put 1. So no need to write 1 here only. Divided by 1, 25 by 1 is 1 only. Okay, then N also 1 and T we have 3. So 1 into 3 is 3 only, so we can write simply 3 here. Okay, now this is what 25%. So 25 by 100. So this is your 2000. 1 plus 0.25, like that we can write, and this is 3. Okay, so here it will be 2000, and this we can write 1 plus 0.5, that is 1.25 power 3. Now 2000 into 1.25, it is 3, so we have to write multiple of 3. 1.25 into 1.25. Okay, 3 times we can multiply that one. Now if you remove this one, it will come 100. If you remove this one, it will come 100. If you remove this one, it will come. Okay, this 20, this 20 we can remove. This 10, this 10 we can remove. Do one time, 10 5 times, and okay, this is 4 time, this is 5 time, 25 table. Okay, 25 into 4 is 100, 25 into 5 is 125. Okay, and like that we can do also one more. This 5 and 5 cancel, we can do like this. Okay, all right. Now if you calculate this thing, so equal to, you will get how much? You are going to get, it is 1.5. Why it is coming like this? Okay, 1 plus this much, huh? 1.5. Okay, 4. 125, 120. Okay, okay, correct, correct. So now we are getting 125 into it will be 125, and divided by we are getting 4. Okay, now if you calculate this thing, you will get 3 9, you will get 3906.25. If you calculate this thing, you will get like this. Now we need to, we got the A value, we got the A value. Now what you need to do? A minus P. A minus P is 3906.25 minus amount we have this one, and minus P value. P value is 2000 rupees. So if you do minus this both of things, you will get 1906.25 rupees. Option B is your right answer. Okay, so like that you need to do. Simply put the formula, get the answer. The average of 4 consecutive odd number is 32. What is the smallest of these number? Okay, so whenever you are going to calculate consecutive order on a average, so basically whenever you will calculate average, average is always the middle of the things. Okay, so they are saying 32 is average, so 32 will come in the mid of the series. Okay, 32 will come in the mid of the series, and it is a odd number. Odd, it is asking for consecutive odd number. 4 odd number is there, so in that middle we are getting 32. So after 32, odd number will be your 33, and after that odd number will be your 35. Before 32, odd number is your 31, and here it is 29. So this is the sequence of 4 number. Okay, consecutive 4 number. Now here it is asking what is the smallest of this number. So smallest one is 29, so 29 is answer. Okay, you can check this tricks and all this thing in my class already available in YouTube. A trader buy 5 items for 1000 rupees and sell each item for 250 rupees. What is the total profit earned by the trader? Okay. So what he is doing, 5 item he is going to buy in a 1000 rupees. Okay. For 1000 rupees. That is your what CP. Okay. So cost price of 5 item. Cost price of 5 item is how much? It is 1000 rupees. Okay, 5 item cost price of 5 item is 1000 rupees. In 1000 rupees he is going to buy 5 product or 5 item now and sell each item in 250 rupees. Like 5 item is there, so 5 item he is going to sell everyone with the rupees of 250 each. So 250 into 5 you will do it, it will come 1250. That is what? That is selling price. Okay, that is what selling price means. That 5 item you that person is going to sell total, if he sold using 250 rupees each, then he is going to get 1250 rupees. That is selling amount. He is going to sell with this amount. So now he is asking how much profit earned. So profit is equal to what? Profit is selling price minus cost price. So selling price is 1250 minus cost price is 1000. So if you minus this one, you will get 250 rupees. Option B is your right answer. Okay. A shopkeeper gives 10% discount on an item marked 500 rupees. What is the selling price? So 500 rupees there, that is your marked price MP. In that he is going to get 10% discount. 10% means 100. 10 by 100, that is percentage. So we can calculate like this. So it is 50 rupees. So 50 rupees he is going to give discount for this. Now selling price is what? Selling price is mark price minus discounted price. So mark price we have 500 and discounted amount we have 50 rupees. So it will be 450 rupees. So selling price we are getting 450 rupees. Option A is your right answer. Okay. Now the next one is a car travel at a constant speed of a 60 kilometer per hour. After traveling 2 hours, it takes 30-minute break and then continuous traveling at the same speed of the another 1 hour. How far has the car traveled in total? So a car is traveling at a 60 kilometer per hour. So speed you can say it is 60 kilometer per hour. Okay, and now after traveling 2 hours, so t is how much? Time is 2 hours. After traveling 2 hours, he is going to take rest for 30 minutes. So this is what you can say. First traveling, you can say first traveling, like first traveling he is doing with the speed of 60 kilometer per hour and time he is spending 2 hours. Okay, after that next it is mentioned like he is taking 30-minute. Time is what? 30-minute break. 30-minute the car is in the rest mode. After that again it started second traveling. Okay, second traveling it started with the same speed, that is 60 kilometer per hour. Okay, and this time he is taking time is taking how much? 1 hour it is mentioned. Okay, now the thing is how far the car travels. So total distance he is asking how much traveled. So we know distance is equal to what? Distance is equal to speed into time. Okay, so at the first time when first travel started, car is the speed of 6 kilometer per hour and time we have 2 hour. So distance is equal to what? D1, that is first traveling. So D1 distance is equal to speed into time. So speed we have how much? 60 and time we have 2. So it will be 120 kilometers. So in the first traveling it travels 120 kilometer. After that he took break of 30 minutes. In that time he is not traveling and not doing anything, simply in the rest mode. Okay, so that time no need to calculate anything. Now in the second time that is your D2. So that time again this car started traveling with the speed of 60 kilometer, 60 kilometer and time is your 1 hour. Okay, So this is what 60 into 1, that is your 60 kilometers. So in the second time it travels 60 kilometers. Now it's asking total distance, how much it's traveled. So total is d1 plus d2, that is your 120 plus 60. So it will be your 180 kilometer. Option C is your right answer. Okay. Now the next one. A is A is 10-year old. B is 2 year younger than twice A is how old is B? So A is how much? A is 10 year. Okay, and is saying B is 2 year younger than twice of A. Twice of A means if you do twice of A, so you will get how much? You will get 20 year. 20 year you will it means what? Twice of A. Okay, 2A you can say twice of A. Now he is saying B is B is younger than 2 year younger than twice of age of A. So when it will be 20, that time it will be 2 year younger. Means we need to do 2 minus. So 20 minus 2, that is your 18 years. So right now he is in 80 year. B is in 80 year. So B age is 80 year, 18 year. Option B is your right answer. Okay, now the next one is a container hold mixture of 3 liter of milk and 2 liter of water. Okay, that is ratio of 3 is to 2. Okay, what is the amount of water to be added to that? The new ratio will be 2 is to 3. Now you see here we have milk and water ratio we have given 3 is to 2. Now it's saying what is the amount of water, how much amount we will add so that the new ratio will become 2 is to 3, right? Okay, so ratio means what? If something we are writing in the ratio like this means it will be A by B, same thing it is. Okay, so if you see here, it's actually saying milk and water we have. Initially, it have what 3 plus 2, 3 by 2 it is. And he is saying in the 2, like in water, if we add some amount of water more, then it will become 2 by 3. This is the question only. Now we need to solve this one. So here it will come 3 into 3 and it will go this side, so it will be 4 into 2x. Okay, now we need to find the x value. So 4 into 2x, here it will be 9 minus 4 and this will be 2x. 9 minus 4 is 5 equal to 2x and x equal to 5 by 2, that is your 2.5 liters. So option C is your right answer. 2.5 is your right answer. Okay, now the next one is two balls, two bells ring at intervals of 39 minutes and 52 minutes respectively. If they started ringing together, after how many minutes will they ring together again? Okay. So whenever you will find together wala question, that time you need to take the LCM. Okay. So this 39 and 52 you need to take LCM. Okay. If you take LCM, so from 13 table you can calculate this is 3 times, this is 4 times. So it will be 13 into 3 into 4, that is your 156. So after 156 minutes they are going to ring after 156 minute. Option B is your right answer. Okay. Okay, now we'll start reasoning. 10 question you are going to get from the verbal reasoning. So find odd one out. So from these options you need to find the odd one. Apple, banana and orange, then carrot is there. So we can say these things are apple, banana and orange is related to fruit, and carrot is some kind of also fruit. You can't say it's a vegetable. Or you can see this three are a fruit only, that will be in tree. Like this carrot is underground, like whenever this carrot we will get this carrot, that underground production it is there. Okay, so carrot is a different, and all are the over the ground things are there, like apple, banana and orange you will get in the tree, and this carrot you will get in the underground. So this will be different. Option D is your right answer. Okay, find the missing number of the sequence. This is the sequence we need to find the missing number. So generally whenever it will come like this sequence all things, you need to write 2 6 14 13 question mark 126. Okay, like that it is there. So you need to take the gap. It will be 4, 14 minus 6, 18, 8. Okay, then 30 minus 14, it will be 16. Then you need to find the gap here. Same gap you will get here only. Okay, so now if you see the common thing here, 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into 2 is 16. Like that, if you do 16 into 2, then here you will get 32. Okay, and how we are calculating the next number? 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 8 is 14, 14 plus 16 is 13, 30. So same 30 plus 32 is how much? 62. So answer will be your 62. Option C is your right answer. Okay. So same thing if you do, you can check here also. 32 into 2 is how much? 64. So if you do 60 plus 62 plus 64, you will get 126. Correct? So option C is your right answer. Pointing to a man, a woman said, "He is son of my of my mother's only son." How the man related to the woman? So this is a blood relationship question is there. So he is the son of my mother. Okay, he means somewhere is there one. This is he. You can say he is the mother. He is the son of my mother only son. Okay. So somewhere C is there, woman is there. Suppose woman is this side. So woman is saying he is the only son of my mother. Okay, woman mother is there. Okay, woman mother only son. His only son is there. For that, he is the son. Okay, he is the son. So like that, only son is there this side. And wait, I will make like this. He is somewhere at just a second, just a second, just a second. Okay, so he is somewhere like this. Okay, he is here, and one person is there, one man is there, and one woman is there. He is pointing to this one, this guy, and he is saying that woman is saying he is the son of my mother only son. Okay, my mother only son. So his mother is there somewhere. Okay, his mother is there. Okay, his mother having one son, his mother having one son, and he is the son of that single son. Okay, so you can say this woman is related to how much? This woman will come this side again. Just a second, I will make you understand. He is here somewhere. Okay, and woman is here somewhere. He is pointing that she having mother. Okay, she is mother. Okay, she is mother. So he is the son of my mother's only son. So his mother having only son. Okay, her mother having only son. For that son having, this one is a son. Okay, so you can say this two, like this is son, this is daughter of single mother, this mother only. So both are brother and sister. And now the question is asking how this woman is related to this son. So generally this woman is the this woman is who is the his father sister. So we can call as a nephew. Option D is your right answer. Okay, now this is what direction question. So whenever you will get direction, just make a direction. This is north, this is south, this is east, and this is west. Okay, so now a man walk 10 meter toward east. A man is there somewhere, he is walking 10 meter toward east. Okay, this is 10 meter and this is east side. So this is left and this is right. Now, turns left and walk 5 meter. Turns left and walk 5 meter. Okay. Now this side left and this side right. Then he turns left again and walk 10 meter. Again he left 10 and 10 meter he went. He went left side. So this is left and this is right again. In which direction is he now from the starting point? So in which direction? So starting point is this side. If you see the direction is, it will go this side. So north side, right now he is north side from the starting point. So option A is your right answer. Okay. In a certain code, is written as MAY is written as NBZ. Okay. So after M, if you do plus one, it means after M you go MN, like that it will come. Then AB, then YZ, ABCD, like that in a sequence. Like after M you will get N, after A you will get B, after Y you will get G, Z in a alphabet. Okay. Now similarly same thing we need to apply here. After S, if you do plus one, if you go after S you are getting T, after A you are getting B, and after Y you are getting Z. So TBZ. TBZ is your answer. Option A is your right answer. Okay. So now the next one is in a race A finished before B, but after C. Okay, what it is saying, A finished before B. Okay, A finished before B. Okay, so A is there, A finished before B, after C. Okay, like that it is saying. Now the next one is saying D finished after A. D finished after A, but before E. Okay. Now it is saying who finished second. So if you write this thing, it will come B A C, and after this only, like after C you will get D, correct. After C only you are going to get D, or means A. After A, here see this thing is common, this thing is common here. So after A only you are either you will get D or E, like that sequence will be, you will get like this sequence. Okay, B A C, and after this only you will get D or E. So now he is asking who finished second. So A is in the second position. Option A is your right answer. Okay. Find the odd one out. So among these you need to find again odd one. So dog, cat, cow, elephant. So you can say dog, cat and cow is a domestic animal. Okay, is these all are the domestic animal. Elephant is your wild animal. A wild animal means generally we will find elephant in the forest side. So elephant is different among this. So option D is your right answer. Okay. Find the next number in the series. So we have 2, 6, 18 and 54 we have. Now we need to find the next one. So if you see here 2 and 6. Okay, 2 and 6 we have. So if you do multiply of 3 you will get 6. If you do multiply of 3 you will get 18. If you do multiply of 3 you will get 54. So like that, if you do multiply of 3 for 54 you are going to get 162. So option C is your right answer from here. Find the missing letter in the series. So we have a series A, C, F, Z. Now we need to find the next one. So you can see A, then B, C. After C, D, E, then F. Like that you need to go 3 plus 3 you need to go. So F, G, H, I, after that you are getting J. Similarly in the next you need to go plus 4. So J, K, L, M, N, then here you will get O. So option D is your right answer. Okay. A main is facing north. Again this you need to make a direction. So this is your north, this is your south, this is your east, and this is your west. Now a man is facing north. Okay, a man is there, he is facing north side. Now he turns he turns 90 degree to his right side. So this is left and this is right. Now he is saying he is going to turn right side he is going to turn. Okay, right side he is going to turn. He is sorry, north na, this is north, is not this one. So north side he is facing north side, like that. Okay, this is left and this is right. So he is going to turn right side 90 degree. If he turn 90 degree like that, so her face, I mean his face will be like this. So means in this direction, in east direction. So this is no left and this is right. Now it's saying again he turns 180 degree left side. So from here he is going to turn 180 degree, means 180 degree means this one only. So 180 degree, if he turn 180 degree, his direction will come this side, west side. So he is asking only direction of the face, so direction is the west side only. So option B is your right answer. Okay. Now some question came from, like you will get some question, 10 question. It is a mixing of GK and GS, general science. So which gas forms the largest component of a earth atmosphere? So generally we have nitrogen that have 78% of that components which are available in the earth atmosphere we have. Apart from that, this is the answer, option C. Apart from that, oxygen we have 21%. Okay. Carbon dioxide we have 0.04%. All right. And argon we have 0.93%. Okay. So from here you can say nitrogen having a more like largest component is there, largest thing are there for nitrogen. Okay. Who was the first emperor of the Maurya dynasty? Okay. So for Maurya dynasty, first one is your Chandragupta Maurya. Okay. Chandragupta Maurya. Okay. He is the first emperor of Maurya dynasty. So Chandragupta is here. After that, Bindusar came. Okay. After that, Bindusar came, and after that, Asoka, the great Asoka. Asoka came in the for the emperor of Maurya dynasty. So from here, option A is your right answer. Okay. Which of the following river has the longest length in the India? So everyone know this is a Ganga only. Ganga river have a longest length in the India. Option C is your right answer. Who was the first woman to serve as a union ministry in independent India? So that we have Amrit Kaur somewhere. So Rajkumari Amrit Kaur is there. She was the first woman to serve as a union minister in independent India. Mahatma Gandhi was born in which city? Mahatma Gandhi was born in Porbandar, which is in Gujarat. Okay. Which of the following compounds is commonly used, known as a baking soda? So baking soda we are generally called this one, option B, sodium bicarbonate is called as a baking soda. NaCl we are calling sodium chloride, that is your generally we will call to salt, that one. Then sodium carbonate generally we will call this in washing soda. Okay, or simply soda it is. Okay, simply soda, NaCO3. Then we have if you will get like this, Na2CO3 10H2O, that is your washing soda. Okay, washing soda, just remember this thing also, washing soda. Okay, if you get this one. And this we have calcium carbonate is your lime soda, we called as a limestone. Then chalk we have, or marbles also, that we called as a calcium carbonate. Okay. Who was the last ruler of the Mughal Empire? Okay, Empire. So for Mughal Empire, last ruler is your that first one we have Babur. Okay, that first one we have Babur. After Babur, Humayun is there. Okay, after Babur, Humayun came. Then Akbar came. Akbar is there. Then after Akbar, we have Jahangir. Okay, after Akbar, Jahangir came, and after Jahangir, Shah Jahan came. Shah Jahan is there for Mughal Empire. Okay, after Shah Jahan, Aurangzeb came. Aurangzeb, and after Aurangzeb, at last, Bahadur Shah. Bahadur Shah. Bahadur Shah Jafar. Last one. So last Mughal Empire is Bahadur Shah Jafar. And first, if they will ask, you need to remember as a Babur. Okay. Now, next one is, which of the following is the largest state in India by area? So, by area, largest state is your Rajasthan. Option D is your right answer. Who is known as the Iron Man? So, we know Iron Man. We have a Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is known as the Iron Man of India. Which where did the first session of India Congress National Congress take place? That first it started in Mumbai. So that time it was called as a Bombay. Okay, option C is your right answer. Now you will get some what DI question. Okay, so this will be based on your graph and all this thing. So that first question, you will get some graph or table type question. There they will ask 5 questions related to this graph. Like you can check here, one graph is given here. It is mentioned 6 branches is there, B1 to B6. This is B1 to B6, and two for the 2 year 2022 and 2021. So this blue wala is called as a 2020, and red one is your 2021 year. Now question is there, in which branch were the most project completed in 2021? So in 2021 means red one. So in the red one you can see this one is the highest one, 1110. So it is related to B3 branch. So our answer will be your B3. Option C is your right answer. Okay. Now the next one is again from the same graph you will get another question. So here they have asked question, what were the total number of project of branches combined for the year of 2020? So for the 2020, how much project they have taken? 2020 means blue wala means this one. So 80 plus 75 plus 95, okay, then plus 85 plus 75 plus 70. Okay, if you calculate this one, then you are going to get total one that if you calculate it, it will come around 480. 480 it will come. So 480 is your answer. Okay, 480, option B is your right answer. Now the next one from the same graph, next question is was, what was the difference in number of projects between branch B4 in 2022 and 2021? So in B4 branch, what is the difference? We'll see. B4 is here, and difference is for 2022 20 it is 85, and in 2021 it is 95. So 95 minus 85 is equal to 10. So the difference is how much? It is 10 only. So 10 project is the right answer. Option A is your right answer. Okay. Now the next one, which branch shown the highest increase in the number of projects from 2020 to 2021? So you can say from 2022 to 21, if you took the difference of all, then here 2020 sit from 2020 to 2021, if you took the difference, 80 minus 105 minus 80, it will be 25. Then here it will, the difference will be 10. Here the difference will be, you will get how much? 95 or 110, it will, you will get 15. Then here you will get 10. Okay, here you are going to get 20, and here you are going to get again 10. So this is the like highest increase number. So B1 is your right answer. B1 branch is the highest one, so A is the right answer. Okay. Now the next one is, in which branch were the number of projects has the lowest in 2021? So in 2021, which one having the lowest one? So 2021 is the red one. So if you see, this is 80, 95, 95, 110, this is 65. So this one is the less amount only. So that is your B2 branch. So B2 is your right answer. Option B is your right answer. Okay. All right. Now the next graph. From the next graph, they are going to ask questions. So this is the graph only. From you need to analyze the graph and you need to give the answer. Which company had set the highest amount in 1995? So 1995. Okay, we'll see. 1995 is here, and this blue wala is company X, green line is company Y, and red line is company Z. So here asking highest amount. So 1995, this one is the highest 120. That is your red wala. Red wala is your company Z. So option C is your right answer. Company Z is your right answer. Okay. Same thing. Again, next question. Which company which company shown the most consistent growth in the price over the year? So, I mean, all over year, how much, which company give the more consistency? So you can see this green having the high value here in 1999. That last one, green having. So green wala is related to company Y. So company Y is your answer. Option B is your answer. Okay. Now the next one is, in which year did company Y experience the highest price of the product? So in which year company Y having highest price? So it's the last year, that is your 119, having company Y at the highest price, that is 140. So 119 year, 1919 he has the highest price. Okay. Now the next one is, again, what was the total price of company Z in 1997 and 1998 combined? Okay, so both together combined he is asking. So 1997 and 1998. 1997 and 1998 for company Z. So here 1997 it is 60. Okay, and 1998 it is how much? 80. Okay. So if you do total, you will get 140. So 140 is your answer. Option C is your right answer. Okay. Now the next one is, what was the price difference between company X and company Z in 1999? So what is the difference between them, X and Z? Asking na, X, company X and Z in the year of 1999. Company X is a blue line, means this one, and company Z is a red one, means this one. This having 120 and minus this having how much? 90. So 120 minus 90. Only difference he is going to ask. Difference asking? Yeah, difference. Difference company X and company Z in 1990. Okay. So how much? 0. It will be 3. Okay. All right. Hmm. This is 120 and this is how much? This is 100 actually, right? This is 100. I wrote 90. This red one is 100. So you are getting 20. Okay, so 20 is your right answer. Option D is your right answer. Okay, so here your general aptitude is over. So like that question you are going to get. Okay, and this, all the things you will get here. Here means based on your previous year paper till now happened, like only CBT happened for one time in a Bangalore. Apart from that, whatever exam happened till now for non-executive post, they have taken OMR based exam. Okay, offline exam. In that also they have same kind of pattern. Only the thing is, in some paper you will not get passages. In the instead of passages they are asking English grammar questions, like that things are there. So all things you will get for the practice or complete material things you are going to get in the Mann Maker app, which is available in the Play Store. Okay, the Mann Maker app. Or now one more thing is there. Actually, I recently I launched my site. So my site name is actually, this is, if you write if you go www.manmaker manmaker.in. Okay, either you go by app or either you search in manmaker.in. This is double N. Okay, manmaker.in. There also, like those who having iPhone, so many people are belongs to iPhone. I don't know how they got iPhone and all. They are messaging me, sir, I have iPhone, how can I download your app? So for that, website is there, you can go, and from app also you can take this one. Here you are going to get complete thing that is related to your general aptitude part. This is common for everyone, either you are from any branch, or ITI or EAT, any trade, any branch is there. This is common for everyone. Here you are going to get one aptitude book, e-book it is there. In that you will get whatever subject they are going to ask in the exam, that aptitude short notes with formula and everything is there. After that you will get subject wise question which is related to exam purpose only. Okay, with for this only EAT and ITI, basically based on that level of question is there in there. Just practice that questions and that notes or formulas you need to remember. If you complete that one, that 10 question you are going to get from aptitude section, quantitative aptitude, you will get from there only. Similarly same for reasoning also, 10 question you are going to get, so 10 question for that also. Whatever subject is there for that, they are going it having short notes, key notes, and subject wise MCQ is there, that you need to practice. Okay, after that 100 important GK question is there, 100 important general science question is there, then English grammar questions and passage questions is there, that you need to practice, and one mock test you will get, that you need to practice, mock test you need to give. Okay, these all things you will get in this app. Just go there, you see this banner, this diagram, take that one, complete this one, this is enough for your exam. Similarly, those who are having electronics branch and computer branch, electrical branch for EAT, and for ITI people EM or electrician, for that for paper 2 it is also there. You can take this one and practice your question, you can prepare from there. And this general aptitude, this thing if you cover, no need to go for anywhere anything, just complete this one, this will be enough for your exam. Okay, okay, all right then. If you like the video, just hit like on a button, kindly share with your friends, and if you not subscribed my channel till now, just subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you.